So this is my real face without any makeup, and now I just want to show you how to put the makeup. But firstly, because my eyes is minus, so I will just use the lens. And here I just use the natural one, the brown color one, because sometimes this one will be not really so good if you use some cream and then lens. So I will do this one first. Alright, for the eyes is done already, so everything is clear now, because sometimes your lips will be feel so dry, so you can use this one, the lip balm. I just use the normal one from Nivea like this. Done for the lip balm. Now the second thing is I just draw my eyelashes. Alright, so for the eyelashes is done. Now I just use the cream. This one I just use the daily cream because sometimes I feel my face really so dry. So I just use this one only. And this one I just use the normal product Bio Essence. So for this one I put in my eyes also, because of later I will just use the eyeshadow, so at least it can be more longer the color. Then for this one, see this one like this glossy, and for the eyeshadow I use Naked Tree, because this one, guys, you can see the color. The color all is natural, like brownie like this. And today, because I just want to go for class, so I will just use the natural one, and I will use this one. This one, the Trick. So it will be like sparkling and gold color. See, I mean, you can see the color, it's really so pretty, you know, like natural, and then have the glitter. Sometimes I will just put full makeup if I go for working, but this is just a normal makeup because of I just go for class, so it will be so fun if I use full makeup. Alright, for the eyes it's done. And before this I will use the eyeliner, because you know my eyes is not really like so big, so it will be so good if I use the eyeliner. And this one I just put the mirror here because of I cannot see later. For the eyeliner, I prefer to make it thick, you know, because I'm not a Korean, I'm just like pure Asian, and then I have big eyes. So if I put it like so thin, it's not really good to see. Much better I just do like this. Alright, And tips for you, if like for the eyeliner or any makeup, if you feel it's not really like good, like you know, sometimes your eyeliner will be like this or too big or something. For you guys, don't need to worry. You just use the cotton bud and then you put like some baby oil or something, or you can use your daily cream also because that one is good. So you just do like this and then you can clean this one or anything the messy like that. And this one done. And actually I really like this one, the Maybelline one, this one, because this one can make your eyebrow really like long and thick, but I think now this one don't have anything, so you can try to use this one, the Maybelline Volume. This one is some more finished and I prefer this one. I got this one in Japan. You can see there, I mean the eyeliner can make it like a bit longer, look longer and then thicker like this. And I like this one because this one really so natural. And I love this product because of this one. I mean, Maybelline, it's not really so expensive for you, but you can use it nicely, you know, like a other product who expensive, but this one not so expensive, but it's okay. I mean, and this one, because this one just new, so it's look really nice, but even not really new, but it will look so nice also. Alright, now you can see, but for this one, my eyebrow, before I will just brush my eyebrow. So I will brush like this. You know, my eyebrow like totally not really so thick, so a bit difficult I think, but yeah, at least this one, the eyebrow also I use the brown color like this because sometimes I go to work, I put this one curly cat, so like this it's more easy, you know. No need to how to say it, cut or something, I don't know, whatever. And this one, the Maybelline, this one, because this one is almost finished, so I just use this one because still have a bit. You can brush your eyebrow, use this one, so it can be look more natural. And you know, this one, I mean, my skin, it's really dry, like really easy to dry, so I'll just put some cream here. This is my skin, it's really sensitive, so I cannot use too much makeup or too much product, so I just use this one for my daily routine. Done. And for this one, because my lips not really good for this lipstick, but this one good for my face, so I just use for my face rather than you put the blush on. I prefer this one from the lipstick because sometimes when I go travel or something, I just use this one, and I don't really like to use the blend makeup because I don't know, I prefer I use my hands because this one more convenient and more easy, so you can correct it. So you look more fresh. And after this, I forgot to show you something, guys. Where is it? Makeup. I cannot find. Actually, we have one lip balm. There is wait a moment, I can find it. Alright, this is baby lips from Maybelline also. But this one I think they don't have anymore because a bit difficult to look for this product. This one make your lipstick look, make your lips more natural. Because this one really so nice product. Not really so oily or not really so glossy for your lips, but for your lips this one will be look just great, like natural, like you don't put anything. And for this one, because really, I told you my skin is a bit sensitive, so I just use this one, the baby powder for my face. I just use my hands also. Before my skin have so many pimples, but now it's a bit okay. Alright, everything is done, and now just for your hair. It's just like this because this one you can just like this because I just go for some class or course, so I just do like this. And sometimes you want to make it more nice, you can use this one, your eyeshadow also. You can use the lighter, like this for